Today we're in Washington, D.C.'s newest Mexican restaurant that also has a speakeasy. The restaurant itself is beautiful. And then when you come into the basement, they actually have their own speakeasy called Roja. Today we're doing the Don't Mess with the Classic, which is a barrel-aged añejo tequila, old-fashioned. It also has French vanilla, brown sugar syrup, and your classic bitters. Price point, $25. Before we even get into it, I haven't even tasted it yet. $25 for that. I've never been handed a price point of $25 with something that looks like this. Smaller end glass, single cube, but not clarified ice, which is very shocking. And then as far as the portion size is concerned, I'm like trying to make light of it, but I almost feel like somebody's putting a gun to my head and robbing me for $25 before I even taste it. I saw pictures on their Instagram. Nothing looked anything like this. We do our old fashions raw and real. What we get is what you get. So this is what it is. First few sips, let's get it going. Don't mess with the classic. Looking at it, maybe you should have messed with it. I don't know. Here we go. First few sips. I'm a huge fan of tequila-based old fashions, by the way. On a positive note, their tequila section is incredible. They have Fortaleza, which is the best tequila on the planet. They also have Mijenta, Tequila Ocho, Código, G4. Their tequila section is off the charts. All right, here we go. This is gonna be a quick gulp. Cheers to all the old-fashioned queens and kings.
The old-fashioned king, the old-fashioned king.
It's a solid old-fashioned. It's clean. I'm just blown away by the portion size and the ice. $25, it is what it is. We review these old-fashions off of 4 things, 0 through 3 on the appearance, first 2 sips in the overall experience, 0 through 1 ambiance. Ambiance. Sexy, brand new, chic Mexican restaurant in the heart of DC. Attached in the basement is this beautiful Roja speakeasy. Low lighting, intimate, definitely a dope date night vibe. Ambiance, we're gonna go full 1. Appearance, single cube, not clarified ice, orange peel. The max score you can get without clarified ice is 2.5. They got a little bit of a smaller glass, and again, that portion size was the smallest I think I've ever been served in 5.5 years. So we're gonna go 1.7. First 2 sips, we're gonna go 2.5. No clarified ice is gonna dilute the cocktail a little bit, so the overall experience is gonna go down a little bit. We're gonna go 2.3. There you have it. Today we're at Roja, which is a speakeasy located inside of D. Lenya, Washington, D.C. Virginia is for Grubbers 7.5. Eesh.